literally just flew out of my ear. Oh my god. I'm just gonna like get my other earring and hope for the best. I can't believe that actually just happened. Is it through? Yes. Right, let's try that again. Hey guys, it's G. Today's video is going to be a bit of a more different one because I'm not like vlogging, but I'm not doing a main channel video style. I've done it a bit more chill today. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a catch up with, you know, some really nice sounds in the background. Clinging, clanging, you know, the household sounds of the kitchen, like that. Anyway, ignore the background noise. I thought I'd just film a video today, since it's Wednesday, and I would do like a little catch up because I thought, why not? Because there is going to be a giveaway at the end of this video, but I just wanted to like give you a few little explanations, especially on why I'm not doing vlogmas this year, etc, etc. So let's go straight on into it. This year I've not done vlogmas, even though I really wanted to do vlogmas. I haven't done it this year because my life is not interesting. I'm going to be like totally honest with you. I do not do amazing things every day. My life is like any average person, I'd say. Like, I'm just like in my room editing YouTube. That's the only difference. Like, instead of going out to like an office job, I'm inside editing and filming. So if I'm honest, there wouldn't be much to film for vlogmas because I won't even go out because I'm busy filming. I have been online Christmas shopping. That's one thing. Like, your girl doesn't even go out to Christmas shop. I sit inside on my laptop. I Christmas shop online. Heck to the yes, because your girl has no time to be going in crowds of stores. That drives me insane. So I've done like loads of online Christmas shopping. But yeah, there wouldn't even be anything good to vlog, which is such a bit of a meh. Hopefully next year I might actually consider vlogging. But yeah, that's why I'm not vlogging. I just wanted to like be real and be like, look, listen, my life isn't that exciting and there wouldn't be much to vlog. But apart from that, that is that section. Excuse like how I look. I'm literally so tired. I'm so cold. It's freezing. I'm wearing this long sleeve like knitted dress with my scarf from River Island. My dad's boiling the kettle. Like literally, this couldn't be more noisier if it tried. Anyway, I'm going to London next week. So the day you're watching this, I'm going to go to London next week and I should be vlogging it. And I can't wait to go to London because I've not been in London for ages for Christmas. So I know it's just going to be for the day. It's going to be so Christmassy. I'm definitely going to try and vlog it. Depends how much time I have, because sometimes when I go to London, it's literally like we have no time to even grab something to eat. But hopefully I'll be able to capture a little few things of London. But yeah, I am so excited for next week. I can't believe it's Christmas. Like, it's Christmas. So I said to my mum the other day, I was like, it's Christmas in like only 2 Sundays left of my videos. That is insane. So I have one video going up this weekend, which is so funny. The week after, which will be the Sunday before Christmas, I've got a collab coming up with someone special again. I'm not going to say any more because I want you to wait and see. But yeah, I'm filming that this Sunday, but that will be going up the Sunday before Christmas. I'm going to try and make sure, since I've not vlogged like the whole of December, I definitely want to vlog Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, Boxing Day maybe. Well, Boxing Day sales, I'm going to probably go to the sales with my dad, so I'm bound to do either a haul or to vlog it. Not really sure, depends again if it's busy, if I have time, if I can, kind of thing. But the only thing that's putting me off is my camera, because I've got a really bad phone. My earring again. What is the problem? Well, I know the problem, G. You don't put a back on your earrings, and that's why. Anyway, my earring's back in. So I'm thinking of doing a Christmas makeup look very soon. Hopefully on next Wednesday, I think. I obviously will be doing a giveaway today in this video, which I'm so excited to tell you about. Literally, I've got like a few bits and it's in a really cute box. Like, wait until I show you. You will actually be flabbergasted. It is so cute in the box. And this is really the main reason I'm filming today, because I wanted to get this video up just to give you time for the giveaway. I'm making sure to get this video up with the giveaway, this is literally the only reason I'm filming, is for this epic giveaway. It's epic because I love doing giveaways. I might as well show you. I might as well, you know, show you the box. Look, one moment. What's this? Listen. ASMR. Guys, are you excited? Because I am. Right, this is pretty big. I don't even know how I'm going to show you this. This is, wait, can you see?
Look at it!
So this is the giveaway that I'm actually going to be giving to one of you guys. I don't know if you can see. It's literally a pink box filled with so many goodies just for you guys. Look! This is so cute. Wait, let me... So, let me tell you what's in this giveaway. Since it's Christmas, I just wanted to do like a little mini giveaway just to give back to you and say thank you and all that cheesy stuff. But I've literally got a box full and I'm so excited because I loved this. So, the first thing that I'm actually going to be giving away is the Laura Geller. Yep, I got another one just for you guys. The Laura Geller Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator in the shade Charming Pink. This is not pink. This is the prettiest, like, champagne pink, I want to say. It's so stunning. Like, oh. Yep, I see you. I'm pretty sure these highlighters are about £25 each. But I thought, like, these are such gorgeous highlighters that I think it would just be perfect for the giveaway. I haven't actually, like, used it. You guys know that I wouldn't actually touch anything. But, yeah, in a box, ready for you. Then, the next thing that I'm actually going to be giving away is 2 pairs of Eyelure lashes. I've picked out, like, some really pretty ones. So these are the Enchanted ones. Actually beautiful. Like, these are so stunning. These ones are gorgeous. See where we're getting 2 pairs of gorgeous lashes. Again, so pretty. And I did kind of match it with the theme of the box.
Wow, how sad.
You will be getting a benefit product. I had to actually added the highbrow brow pencil. This is a highlighter for your brows, so you can put whatever you use on your brows. So you fill in your brows, then you use this pencil and you basically like clean up your brows and give it a really clean and high brow finish. Beautiful. This is really expensive, I think, full price, but I thought you guys deserved it as well because I actually have another one of these, so you guys have this. You will love using this. I love it anyway, but this is so fab, brand new. Can't wait to give this away. Like, oh. Then my next product that I'm giving away is these Luxie Brushes. This is a 5-piece brush pack. It's got 5 eyeshadow brushes in. They are synthetic. They are gold with glittery handles. How beautiful are these? This is £25 for a pack for 4, which is, I think, is pretty expensive. But this is beautiful. Now, I will admit, like, I wanted to keep these because they are so stunning, so gorgeous. I've heard a lot about this brush brand, but because it was a Christmas box, I thought gold glitter handles, so cute. You guys will deserve this. So, yep, new pack of brushes. Hello. Ah, look at them. They are beautiful. So stunning. Then the next thing that I've actually popped in there was this Nip and Fab liquid highlighter. This looks purple on camera. It is not. It is the most beautiful blinding highlighter ever. So I've added like a liquid and a powder. This is stunning, and since I have a lot from Laura Geller, I've got a few Laura Geller highlighters, I decided to give this one away. This is £8, I think, full price. Really beautiful. You get a lot of product. Super stunning for your cheekbones. If you add this underneath the Laura Geller highlighter, your cheekbones are going to be popping. Then the next 2 things are these liquid lipsticks from Jeffree Star. I did actually, I got sent like 2 liquid lipsticks, and I thought I'm going to actually give these away because Jeffree Star is such a, you know, a typical brand and everyone loves Jeffree Star. So this one is in the shade Birthday Suit. It is such a beautiful nude. Wait, I'm not going to swatch it, but like, that is the colour. So this is the most beautiful nude shade. actually love this. How beautiful. It is a typical nudie pink. Everyone will suit this shade. It's a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. You can't go wrong with it. Absolutely love Jeffree Star, and your girl has got you the cutest liquid lipstick. Then I've also just thrown in this one. This was another one. This is in the shade Watermelon Soda. This is the most beautiful like cherry pink red. Look how gorgeous for Christmas. Even like I have one very similar to this, I'm pretty sure. I think oh my god, you know the Money MUA collab? They brought out one that was dead similar to this, which I loved. I think I've used it all up. This is so pretty. Again, you guys are gonna love this. Two of the best colours, I'm not gonna lie. I absolutely love these, and again, they're very like, if you're a nude gal, you've got a nude one, and then if you've a bit more of a colourful gal, you've got a colourful one. And I thought as well you can use the bright like red pink one in your waterline as well, that eye save, so how pretty. Oh, love them. And you can use it for eyeliner, even better. And I also added a Peaches and Cream pigment. These are one of the newest pigments out. I think this is like the Wild Wild West ones. So pretty. This one is in the shade Rodeo. I swear by Peaches and Cream pigments, especially Gatsby. And this one is so gorgeous. Yeah, but that's the pigment right there. So it's a gorgeous burgundy, I want to say like a burgundy warm brown. It is so pretty, amazing to blend, and I thought this with a red lip is perfect. Then the last four things, which one of them I'm going to get in a minute, I did actually promise to give some face masks. So yes, of course I would have to give the, oh I love this one, Hollar and Glow Ho Ho Glow face mask. Absolutely beautiful. This is a sheet mask, and I just thought this was quite nice to give after Christmas, after you've ate like pure rubbish. This is going to sort your skin out and give you a Christmas glow. So even though you are going to get this box after Christmas, this will still be perfect for afterwards. Then I also give you these two, which again I've mentioned in a video. These both are from Nip and Fab. This one is the Dragon's Blood one, which is one of the most like hyped up range, I think. Dragon's Blood is massive, like full on, one of the best ranges Nip and Fab brought out. Dragon's Blood is so good for your skin. So you've got the Nip and Fab Hydrate Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Mask, and you leave this on for 15 minutes. Then I have a pink one here. So cute. This is the Nip and Fab Teen Skin Fix Salicylic acid.
I can't speak and I look a mess.
This is amazing if you a breakout or you just want a good pamper. Like, of course, your girl's got to have pamper. So this is why I've added it in the box for the pamper. Then the last one, well, the last product in this box of goodies. Honestly, the whole box itself with the goodies in it looks so cute. Even like I would give this to myself. Like, I am so excited for this. But the last thing that I actually added to the box to kind of like finish off the pamper, there's kind of like a theme here. This is the Hollar and Glow candy cane. This is a candy cane bath bomb or bath fizz as they call it. I actually use this in a night routine, but I use the flamingo one. It's the exact same as the flamingo one, but this is a candy cane one that's got glitter, and I swear to God this was one of the best bath bombs I've ever used. I'm not a bath bomb kind of girl, definitely not, but this in my bath is beautiful. And again, since I had a few cents to me, I thought why not treat you guys to one, because it's Christmas and it's a candy cane and it's huge. Like my little like flamingo one was an alright size, but this is one of the biggest bath bombs I got sent, so you guys deserve the biggest. Oh my god. Wait, he's beautiful. How cute. Pink glittery candy cane for Christmas, for a Christmas giveaway. Honestly, I really did plan this. So that is everything you will hopefully be winning in this Christmas giveaway. I cannot wait to give this away to one of you guys. This is going to be UK only, unfortunately, just on this occasion, just because of Christmas and the deliveries. The deliveries around Christmas is hectic. However, I will be doing another giveaway, which will be international again. To enter this giveaway, you have to of course, be subscribed to this channel. I really wanted to give back to you guys who have supported me this year, so it's only fair to give away this amazing box to one of you guys who have already been subscribed. So subscribe, turn the notification bell on, then comment down below with your Instagram handle. Make sure to follow me over on Instagram. I'll put all my socials on here. I will be checking. So subscribe, click the bell button, comment down below your Instagram handle with emoji so I know you've actually entered the giveaway. So the actual giveaway will be ending on Christmas Day. Any comments after that for the giveaway will not be counted, unfortunately. Then on New Year's Day, I will pick a winner and announce it on my Instagram and YouTube. So that is it for my giveaway and my video, just a little quick giveaway video. I really do hope you enjoyed. Good luck for the giveaway. I will be keeping an eye out for your comments. And yeah, I will love you and leave you, and I will see you on Sunday for a brand new video.